everyone. This is the third video. In this video we are going to discuss about the air pollution. Okay, before discussing about the air pollution, we will discuss about the pollution. What is pollution? Okay, pollution is the contamination of natural resource like air and water, okay, by addition of harmful, that is toxic and poisonous substances due to the various human activities called pollution. Okay, and the pollution causes this undesirable change in the physical, chemical and biological characteristic of natural resource, which adversely affect both living organisms and non-living organisms. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the air pollution. Okay, the air pollution, the contamination of air with harmful unwanted substances like toxic gases, smoke and dust, which have harmful effect on both living organism and non-living organism, is called air pollution. Okay, it contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, traces other gas in the air, okay, which is contaminated. Any change in the atmosphere that has a harmful effect is called air pollution. And what is pollutant? Okay, any substance that causes pollution is called pollutant, like carbon dioxide, okay, like CO2, okay, and carbon monoxide, oxides of sulfur, nitrogen, oxides of nitrogen, dust, smoke, sewage. They are the all are the pollutant. We call it pollutant. Okay. Now we will discuss about the cause of, okay, cause of air pollution. Okay, what are the causes of air pollution? Air causes of air pollution, you can see. Okay, a number of causes are related to the contamination of atmosphere. Okay, polluted air leads to the numerous health problem. Okay, air pollution can damage all the creatures which exist in the plant. The air pollution is one of the most important factor that takes place global warming. An increased level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is one of the prime cause of air pollution. Okay, now we can see the cause of air pollution here. Due to the pollution, all the trees have been vanishing, they are dying. Okay, and trees are very much important for oxygen, also for absorbing carbon dioxide also, and it brings the rain. Okay, you can see a lot of industries are there which is releasing the pollution. Okay, they are creating a lot of pollution. Okay, now global warming. First of all, what is global warming? Okay, before discussing the global warming, I will say about the what is greenhouse effect, the phenomenon whereby the earth's atmosphere traps solar radiation because of the presence of gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, and many other gases like methane and chlorofluorocarbon, which is also known as CFC. Okay, and global warming is the increase in amount of greenhouse gases. Just now I said what is greenhouse gases: carbon dioxide, water vapor, methane and chlorofluorocarbon. Okay, the increase in amount of these gases beyond the natural limit is a cause of concern, and this lead to the increase in the average temperature of earth, and this is called the global warming. And global warming is the rise in the average temperature of atmosphere of the earth due to the increase in greenhouse effect. Okay, and this damaging the effects of global warming. Okay, the polar caps would melt and water would flow in the sea. If the level of the water in the sea increases, low-lying areas near the coasts would submerge. Climate and rainfall pattern would change. Okay, and it would also affect the agriculture, thus the production of food. Okay, it will affect. Okay, and air pollution causes the depletion of ozone layer also. Okay, and what are the effects of air pollution? First of all, in the human health, effects of air pollution in the human health. Okay, what happened? It irritates respiratory tract. It creates a lot of problem in the respiratory tract. Okay, first of all, it can cause various health problem, and the first gas is carbon monoxide, CO. Okay, it's a very poisonous gas. It is a colorless and odorless. When inhaled in excess amount, it combines with the hemoglobin of blood and forms carboxyhemoglobin, and this prevents it from carrying capacity of oxygen. Okay, blood carries the oxygen, so it will decrease. As a result, the blood becomes oxygen deficient, which cause the unconsciousness or even the death. Now another pollutant is oxides of sulfur. Okay, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide we are talking about, which cause the other respiratory problems. Okay, and even damage our lungs. And what do the oxides of nitrogen do? Oxides of nitrogen cause lung congestion, the problem in the lungs. Okay, the fumes which is coming, okay, out of chemical industry cause irritation in eyes, nose and throat. Okay, and next is the air pollution can cause the acid rain. Okay, air pollution can cause the acid rain. Okay, and burning of fossil fuel like coal, petrol, diesel produces this carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay, and what it produces? CO, carbon monoxide, oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen and unburnt hydrocarbons. All these oxides escape into the atmosphere. They go into the atmosphere, and the oxides of sulfur and oxides of nitrogen reacts with the water vapor present in the atmosphere to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Okay, and both of these are very strong acid, and this is acid damages the our soil, which increase the acidity of soil, and it causes affect the plants and animals life, and the soil fertility is also lost in them. Okay, acid rate promotes corrosion of metallic object like uh, railway bridges and gates. Okay, just now I said air pollution are causing the global warming. Now how we will control the pollution? Okay, how we will control the pollution? Methods for prevention. Yes, we are how to control the air pollution. First is we will use modern automobiles engines in the vehicles which bring about complete combustion of fuel. This reduces the release of carbon monoxide. Okay, and smoke. The first one. Okay, second one, use environmental friendly clean fuel like CNG. What is CNG? Compressed natural gas in trucks, buses, and other vehicles. CNG contains methane, which on burning produces lesser pollutant than coal, petrol. Now, third one is use unleaded or lead-free petrol in automobiles. This causes less air pollution and does not release toxic lead on burning. Okay, we have to regular pollution check of vehicle should be made mandatory. Okay, so that the pollution will be in the control. Grow more and more trees and plants to reduce the increasing greenhouse effect. Okay, we have to use the CNG cylinders in the vehicles. Okay, compressed natural gas in trucks, buses and other vehicles. CNG contains methane on burning, produces less pollutant than coal and petroleum. Okay, just now I said we should always check the air pollution. Okay, like a regular pollution check for of vehicles should be made mandatory. Okay, industries should be located far away from the residential area. They are not present on the residential where the peoples are living. Okay, now we should use public transport, carpooling instead of using one own vehicles. If you move alone in a car, okay, that will cause a lot of everyone will go in own car. A lot of pollution will be come out from that. Okay, that will create a lot of pollution. So in one car 4 person can sit and go for the place, so less pollution will be there as compared to the 4 cars. Okay, the next one is use recycled paper to save tree and replace wood, coal or kerosene with clean fuel like LPG for domestic use. One important point that to reduce the air pollution that encourage use of less polluting energy resources like hydroelectric energy, solar energy and wind energy. These were the important points for the methods of prevention and control of air pollution. Thank you. Thank you very much.